Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks Futures and Forex preview for the week, or for Tuesday, the 2nd of November 2021. Hope you had a good trading day on Monday, although I don't know how you could have. It was a pretty boring day. We got a couple minor partials out of the futures, and like the S&P ended up nowhere. We were literally plus less than a point a lot of the afternoon. We'll look at that in a minute, but here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Did slightly get a new closing high, so let's look at crude oil down 8 cents to 83.98. Not much there. Gold down $1.10. Nobody cares about that either. The S&P cash ended up closing plus 8.29, but when you see the intraday action, you'll understand what I'm talking about in a minute. The NASDAQ 100 up 54, new closing highs. The SOX up 55, new closing highs on the SOX even, breakout. Biotech's up 80 points. That's nothing near a new high. It's mid-range. The Russell 2000, finally, look at this. Almost near new highs. Could something finally happen here for the first time in 9 months on the Russell 2000? I don't know. We'll see. But we're definitely looking at a breakout potential here. Good for the markets if the small caps finally get going. Weird time of year for it, but it's possible. The Dow was up 94 points. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down $1.06. So, but it's been up the last few days. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 2149. So way more stocks up than down on the New York plus 1624. Way more stocks up than down there as well. The trend closes at 0.71, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.15, which is not a thing. NASDAQ volume 5.2 billion shares. Lower than it's been all the last week again, but that's again a lot of earnings last week, so we're starting to come back from that, although there will be some more. VIX closes up 15 cents at 16.41. The Apple up down 84 cents, but that's nothing. Amazon down 54.32, not much there. Facebook up 6.41. Do we care? Google down at 90.98. So a drop in Google after making new highs the day before. Goldman Sachs up 3.35. Didn't quite trigger our trade, but there's definitely a breakout scenario there, and it's on our list. Netflix down 9.14. There's a 13 sell signal on Netflix right now, and we dropped after that. So just be aware of that. That doesn't look good, to be honest. Tesla up. And by the way, when you get one sell signal that breaks, which we did, and then this one works, signals, it's not usually works out that this one sells off, but we'll see what happens. Tesla up $94.59. Nobody seems to care about anything with Tesla. Zoom up $4.29. Bitcoin's at 61,555 at the current moment. Here's the ES futures for the session, and this was such a dead day. Small gap up, filled, went the other way, the reverse reciprocal range way. We were still sitting even going into lunch. We were sitting even going out of lunch. We went lower. We came back. We were even with 20 minutes left. I mean, it was just a horrible day. Like, there's just nothing there. No consistency and no movement. Charts as usual. Brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.